Navigating the music industry as a woman or a gender minority can be more difficult and challenging, but today there's many more women and gender minority DJs that are really smashing it and at the top. So now to talk about the rider. There are two parts to a rider. There's the technical part and the hospitality part. On mine, I have as many healthy things that I can get into my body, like coconut water, fresh juice, or even a ginger shot is something that I really love. Ergonomics and ear fatigue are really, really important subject. Whether you're producing or DJing, you should really take a lot of breaks in between and make sure that the music should be at a lower decibel volume. Now I always wear earplugs when I'm in the club, and when I DJ, I try to use earplugs as much as I can, but for sure when I enter and exit the club, and any time I spend in the club, I always have earplugs in. This course will teach you everything you need to know to get started as a DJ.